In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through step by step on how to design this kind of text inside Canva. Normally, it is very difficult to design this kind of text, but with some AI, which was recently encrypted into Canva, though it is not a Canva feature, it's a different platform that had to integrate their platform into Canva so that people who are doing graphics can use it to generate something different. Can you see how this thing looks like? Africa Resurgence Movement Organization, right? So I'm going to teach you guys in this video how to be able to achieve this kind of stuffs with your smartphone. As long as you have your smartphone, you'll be able to do this, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is pretty much very simple. Go over to your Play Store or your iOS and download an app called Canva, right? So when you download the app called Canva, you are going to launch it, right? So I'm going to launch my Canva app. I have it already. I'm going to click on Canva. And when I click on Canva, it's going to bring me to this particular interface, right? It's going to bring you to this interface, right? So the next thing you're going to do is hover over to the left hand side where there are three dash. Click there and you are going to look for apps. Down here, can you see apps? Click on apps. And when you click on apps, it brings you here. You click on apps again here at the top, all apps. And when you click on all apps, it's going to bring up this particular interface. So you are going to go ahead and scroll down. You can see this image, this one that says type extrude. Can you see type extrude? This one, just click on it, click on type extrude, and this is what we use to achieve what I've shown you, right? Now you can go ahead and scroll down here. You can see use in existing design. That means you have already existing design, you want to use it. That is not what I want to do. I want us to do a fresh design from beginning to the end. So down at the downside, you can see use in a new design. So I'm going to click on use a new design, and it's going to bring up this. It's asking you what type of size do you want. Is it animated social media? Is it Instagram stories? Is it Facebook post? Is it YouTube? Whatever. So I'm just going to pretty much take Instagram post. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. When I click on it, it's going to bring up this particular interface. So right here at the first place, it says main text. This is where you are going to type the text, right? And if you type it, you come down here. This one is say font, right? You click font here. You are pretty much going to choose the font you like. These are fonts right here. These are fonts. You see, these are fonts. You can choose any type of font you want here. But remember that the font you choose will affect the way the text will apply. So for me, I'm pretty much going to leave it in what they give to us as a default. So I'm going to click on go back here. So this is exactly how it looks like. You see today. So if you scroll up, you see that today here. This today here is what we have down here. This is it. Now this black white, you can change it here. Okay, this is the color right here. You can decide to change the angles, the length, the borders, and all those things here. Can you see all these things? These are where you can change them, but I prefer you to leave it on the way it is by default, right? The platform knows why it made it this way, right? Except you want to add your own, that's fine. So if I want to change the color of the text, all I need to do is, can you see this place that says color? Click here, and you pretty much can choose any color here. If you choose, you click on it, you click outside. Can you see color has applied? You can change the color by changing another thing, right? You change another, click outside. Can you see today? So there's no color you want to make it that you can't make it, right? This is it. Okay, downside is black, right? So this second color, you can choose any other thing. Maybe choose something like this. It doesn't make sense. Just looking for something that will work. You see this, but I think black is more perfect, right? So I'm gonna leave it in black. So this is how it is, right? So this is what we did to achieve that. For me to do this, all I'm going to do is come over here and I'm going to type Africa. So when I type Africa, I'm going to scroll down. You have this, right? And you see you have this is Africa. Then you can go ahead and add it. To you to add it on your design, you're going to click on this place that says add to design. So click on add to design. It has added. Now on these 4 edges where you see dot, you can hold it and expand. Can you see? You can hold it, expand and reduce. Can you see? Expand and reduce. Expand and reduce. Expand and reduce. So you can go ahead and drag it to the top here. So once you're done with that, the next thing you're going to do is click outside. So I'm going to go down left here and look for elements. I'm going to choose this cycle. I just want to show you guys how I was able to achieve this. Now when I choose this cycle, I'm going to hold the center here. Can you see this center point here? I'm going to drag it this way, drag it this way. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to click this place that says style and I'm going to drag this. Can you see? And then the next thing, you click on text. I'm going to type the text I want. So remove. I'm going to put resurgence here. Okay, resurgence. Reduce it. Okay, Africa resurgence. Then to do movement, I had to go back again by coming down here, downside here, and click on design. Right, when you click on design, then you scroll towards your left, you are going to find that app again. Type extrude, click on type extrude, and it's going to bring you here. I'm going to now put movement, organization. Okay, type movement organization, so you can scroll down and see. Can you see there? If you want to increase angles, you can increase the angle, the length. So this is what we have. I can go and click on this and change the color to what we have already. Okay, so add design. So I'm gonna bring it down here, hold the button here, then so this is basically how I was able to achieve that. You see, Africa Researchers Movement Organization. So you can go ahead and play with this software here, which was encrypted into Canva. You can do it on your own. It's just ABCD. You are able to achieve this, right? So if you want to create another one, all you need to do is click on this plus sign here, and you have a new fresh template. And you go ahead and go and click on View Design. Go back to here, Text Extrude, and you go ahead and start typing whatever you want to type here and changing the colors. If you want to change the background of the text, just click right here and it becomes dark, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you guys in this video, and if you got value, right, all I want you to do for me is pretty much very simple, right? Go ahead right now and click on that like button, subscribe, smash the bell notification, so that whenever I put up a video like this, you're gonna be the first person to get notified. Bye for now.